Previously, I talked about chemical pathology lab, which is one of the units of the medical laboratory. And we went as far as going deeply into the unit chemical pathology, and we talked about what is done in this particular unit of the lab. We went as far as listing the type of tests done in this lab. And I also said I'm going to talk about the test, the significance, why we do this test, and go deeply into the procedures of carrying out this test. So today's video, I'm going to talk about urine chemical analysis, which is sometimes called urinalysis. It is a test that is done to detect and monitor our internal organs functionality and the abnormal and normal constituents in urine, which is as a function of the functionality of our internal organs. What I mean by this is the appearance of our urine can determine how poor or how well our internal organs are doing their work properly. So this urinalysis test has different phases of carrying out the test. Number one is the macroscopic examination, which is the physical examination of the urine sample. Different colors of urine samples determine the conditions at which our internal organs are functioning. The normal color of the urine is amber, sometimes known as yellowish color. So if it is deeper in color, sometimes it can be as a function of dehydration, or sometimes so many things can cause your urine color to change, to deteriorate. So we have different colors such as the deep amber, the amber, which is the normal color of urine. Then we have the appearance. The normal urine of a healthy individual should be clear. Anything outside being clear, it means that something is wrong somewhere. Your body is trying to raise an alarm that something is going on. You should do something about it. So this is the essence of this test. Then we go as far as looking at the chemical aspect of it. We have the normal and abnormal constituents in urine, the things that are supposed to be in the urine and the ones that are not supposed to be there. So the normal constituents are such as the pH, the specific gravity. The pH is the hydrogen ion levels in the urine. Sometimes if it is too acidic, if it is too alkalinic, it calls for alarm. So we have other abnormal constituents in urine, which are the protein, the glucose, blood, nitrite, ketone, urobilinogen, bilirubin, and a whole lot. All these things are byproducts of the body's metabolism. For instance, the bilirubin, it is a byproduct of red blood cell metabolism. When your red blood cell breaks down, it's the final byproduct is bilirubin. And when there is excessive bilirubin in your urine, it is raising an alarm that too much red blood cells is breaking, which is also a call for concern. So this test, it is not just a test like people may think. It is a screening test, and it helps your physician to know the level at which your organs are working. Such other abnormal constituents like protein, if protein is found in your urine, it could be as a result of urinary tract infections and other causes. Then another abnormal constituent is the glucose. If glucose is found in urine, it is also a call for alarm. Previously, I talked about glucose as a core topic. Glucose is the fuel for the brain. It is found in the blood. If found in urine, it is a problem. It has gotten to its renal threshold such that it is too much in the blood that it's spilling into the urine, which is as a function of your kidneys not functioning or not doing what it's supposed to do. Your pancreas not doing what it's supposed to do, not regulating the insulin and everything that it's supposed to do. Those glucose hormones that takes care of glucose metabolism. If these things are not properly taken care of, it is also a call for alarm. And with this particular test called urine analysis test, it helps us to have a clue of what is going on inside of you. So I wish you can stick to it as we go into the procedure for carrying out this test. Thank you for watching. Do well to share, like and comment on this page. Thank you.